I'm helping to redefine aging by really owning and being unapologetically myself. My openness has absolutely had me stretching in that uncomfortable zone and finding the courage within myself to go ahead and then share, be vulnerable. It's rewarded me triple-fold. I had breast cancer surgery exactly 14 days ago. There's a lot of stigmas about what happens with an aging woman, and I'd love to just bust through all of those. When I say that age is an opportunity, it goes back to, again, every day is an opportunity. In life, there's always going to be problems, but how you choose to approach that is 100% on you. 10 years ago, my youngest child came out as transgender. I myself have always identified as queer. Time and time again, especially in a corporate setting, folks think that they have to put on a particular persona. I realize that I really have a purpose in sharing openly. One by one with those singular conversations makes all the difference in the world because we're talking heart to heart. Just taking that one step. You make things happen. You make things happen for yourself. You get courage.